Here we are, partway up Mynydd Machen, and we found this, well, ruin of an old building. We're not quite sure what it is. Take a look and see what you think. So this is the entrance. There's a fire pit that's obviously been built recently. That's not part of the original structure. If you look along the walls, you can see there's a shelf partway up it, which seems to continue right around. And now we've got a passageway, which, if we follow it, leads through to another room, which has got this almost, well, it's a D-shaped dip in the floor, but I don't know if you can see it on the video, but there's steps here leading down into it. Seems to be some charring on the walls, but that may be recent. Only on some parts of the wall, not on all the wall. Again, we've got this shelf part around it. This part of the wall is much lower quality than the rest of it, so maybe a recent addition, I'm not sure. You can see, look at the difference in the quality of the stonework there, and the quality of the stonework down here. You can see this is much higher quality. No idea what it is, but it's interesting, so I thought I'd film it anyway. And back out through the passageway. And there we are.